Z Assassin, back with another banger. Yeah. For those of you wanting a true unboxing, it's not gonna happen. I've already opened this package. We'll just get right into it. Today we have the Z1 Motorsports chassis brace, under brace. I got the front and rear. Let's see what we got. Let's talk about it. All right. Thank you for your purchase and being a loyal customer. Yeah. Digital install manual. Sweet. This is the rear. And you know what I forgot? Y'all know what I forgot. It's coming. Hold on. Yeah, buddy. Savage. All right. Pretty lightweight. Clean. It would be kind of cool if they offered other colors. Although I wanted red, so I can't complain because they gotta match my sway bars. I got that coming too. So we got close and personal. These are my rears. Oh yeah. Well packaged, as you expect from Z1. Rightfully so. And these are my front. Some people may say it's overkill, it's unnecessary. We all know our cars, we all know what we use them for. And I'm just trying to minimize the flex and just stiffen the chassis up as much as possible. That's my goal. Looks like 4 bolts, should be easy peasy. I may do this install in 2 separate. I'll see. But, so this is what we got, front and rear. Now, I could have gone with a cheap alternative. I think Megan. However, their design didn't have that X, which obviously makes this a bit more sturdy or stiffen, more stiff. Yeah, stiffen. Yeah, pay no mind to that. Anyways, so this is what I did. I may install the fronts first and then wait to install the rears, because when I do the sway bars, I think I'm gonna do some control arms back there, and I don't wanna have to go in twice and remove stuff. I just don't want it in my way. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to install the fronts and call it a day. All right, I'll see underneath the car. The Z's under construction currently, so I have a lot of things apart, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tackle this. All right, so apparently I need to get that, and that. And apparently the rearward bolts have a nut on the top side that I have to gain access to with a wrench, and then I'll use my impact on the bottom to pull that off. I'm gonna see what I need to do to gain access to this. pop up right there. So I'm just gonna zip this off. No need to film this because it's very simple. It's 4 bolts. If I have any difficulty, I will report back. All right. Okay, so got the front bolts snug. Got the rear bolts snug. It was real quick and easy. It was kind of tricky putting the rear bolts back in because you literally had to have alien fingers to do it. I'm gonna tighten this up and call that that. So don't do what I'm about to do. I learned German a little bit ago, so I'm just gonna go gut und tight, gut und tight. My rack has a little bit of leak. I'll address that later. This was a northeast car, so the rust is heavy with this one. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, tighten it up, gut und tight, and call it that. Fucking touchback. All right, got that up. And get a shot of, oh yeah, them Y blasters, baby. Oh yeah. Yep. Cool. That's that. I'm gonna try to get the rears in later, but I'm gonna do the front sways when I get a chance. Yeah, I'll figure it out. All right, y'all. So that literally took me greater part of 10 minutes or so. Easy peasy. Like I said, I had to have alien fingers to reach the nut towards the rearmost bolts. Did that, popped it in. I'm gonna wait to do the rears because I'm gonna do a sway bar install, and I'm also wanting to do some control arms and stuff like that. And it's just gonna be in the way. I just don't want anything additional in the way. I might knock out the front sways sometime this week. I don't know. Stay posted. Blah.